Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Time to check out more aggressive growth companies that our aggressive growth analyst Bill Wilton at Zacks.com has his eyes on for your investing benefit. A couple that you brought with you to the table here this time around include CARBO Ceramics, CRR, the ticker symbol. Now, I've never heard of this company. Not that that means anything in and of itself, but I've been watching the markets for a while. So you say that they make a ceramic product that's used in fracturing gas and oil wells.
Essentially what that is, you have a drill that goes into the ground to get into these wells, and they require a lot of, there's obviously a lot of friction there. They need, it's almost like a diamond cut saw or something like that. They put a special ceramic material on the front of these drills to help them get into these wells.
To open a new well.
Yeah, so it's essentially, it's a play on the oil field services. Okay. They themselves don't do the exploration, but anyone that does uses these types of products.
For opening new wells, because now I'm thinking, well, if you've already got a well, why would you want to fracture it?
Well, yeah.
That's just how my mind travels.
Yeah. But they also do other services like spill prevention and containment and other services related to oil field exploration and development.
Okay.
So it's a play on that. They just announced, well, not just, I guess it's a little stale now because it's a few months ago, but their recent quarterly results were October 29th. They saw that sales were up 37% sequentially. Now, this was down year over year, but it's just showing that they do expect a recovery within the oil and energy industry. But one of the things their CEO said, it's just, he essentially said that it's inevitable, but the timing is, kind of a mystery right now. But you can see the sales going up is definitely an indicator that could be sooner than later. Their earnings per share came in at 62 cents, which actually it topped the estimates of 42 cents. This was their 9th consecutive surprise. And they're also in a very good position in their industry. They have an impressive ROE and profit margin relative to their industry average. And the analysts currently are upwardly revising their estimates. So despite the fact that the company is saying we're not really sure when this big recovery is going to come, analysts really see good things coming regardless, even though we have seen some news out of OPEC lately that says they're going to keep things right where they are for now because demand is a bit weaker, but analysts and the company are seeing otherwise.
Okay.
Right now, kind of like their sales, they aren't showing year-over-year growth per se, but they are seeing a lot of that earnings momentum with those upward revisions, which is one of the things that leads it to carry a Zacks rank of a number 1. Those revisions are a very, very bullish indicator, and you can see that the stock price is following that pattern. The more we see these upward revisions, the higher the stock price gets. It's trading, it continually sets a new 52-week high. Recently, it's just about daily. So things are going well, and you can see on the MACD there at the bottom of the chart that they also have some good momentum.
All right. Another company you've written about recently, Balchem Corp. I hope I pronounced that right. Balchem or Balchem? Doesn't really matter, I guess.
Balchem.
Balchem. Yeah. BCPC, ticker symbol. Continues to set new 52-week highs, you tell us.
Yeah. And what they actually do is they provide a lot of specialty chemicals for a variety of different industries. Now, this could be anything from healthcare to pet food and nutrition products. So they're in a variety of areas. They also reported on the 29th. They saw sales rise about 2.5% sequentially. Their EPS was actually up 44%, on a year-over-year basis. They beat by 29%. As you would imagine, analysts again are raising estimates, and they're showing double-digit growth for both this year and next year. So they have that year-over-year growth and the earnings momentum, which is great. They were also recently featured in Forbes as one of the top smaller companies. They do a top 100 list. They actually got ranked 62, which shows that even Forbes publication recognizes their recent success. Right now, like I said, they are showing that year-over-year growth, which I like. It is not, exponential, but given this environment, any growth is great.
They will take any growth any way we can take it.
Absolutely. And just like CARBO, shares of BCPC are climbing. They're setting 52-week highs regularly. They have that momentum there, so there's a lot of similarities with the charts on these two companies.
All right, do you own either of these two?
I do not.
Check out more Zacks Rank Buy stock pick ideas on our homepage at Zacks.com. Go to that upper right-hand corner that you hear me talk about all the time. That's where we list them all for you, one in each of the investing categories that we write about each business day. With Bill Wilton, I'm Terry Ruffalo.